On mobile devices, Lark Meetings is a breeze to use. Whether you're in a private or group chat, just click the camera button on the top right to start a video call. You can also start a call from any calendar event by clicking Start Video Meeting. Want to touch up your appearance? Turn on Touch Up with one click, then adjust the effect in Advanced Options. Lark will automatically beautify your skin to intelligently improve your look. Is your background too messy? You can choose different virtual backgrounds to blur the area outside the portrait, making the participants look neater. Try our Magic Share function to allow participants to freely browse documents that are being shared on the screen. Everyone can work on the docs simultaneously right within the meeting window. Too noisy around and can't really hear the conversation? Turn on subtitles to easily follow the meeting. The recording will be automatically saved in the cloud. Then, Lark Minutes will automatically transcribe recorded meetings once they end. Minutes are searchable and translatable, which helps you locate and access messages efficiently. Now you've learned the basics of Lark Meetings on mobile. If you have any questions, click on the profile photo, select Contact Us to access for more information. Don't forget to click thumbs up if this video is helpful to you.